Today we'll continue with the fourth lesson in topic 10, multiply a whole number and a mixed number. What we'll do today, we will solve questions like these questions. But before we start solving, I want to remind you about the main idea, how we multiply a whole number by a mixed number. Then we will solve these questions, some of them, not all of them. Then we will play a game and solve it together. That's what we are doing today. So let's start first with the main idea. I will use this page to help me to explain to you the main idea. And of course I know that you know it. I'm reminding you, just reminding you to make sure that you know it. So let's say that I want to multiply 2 times 3 and 1/5. The 2 here is the whole number, and the 3 and 1/5 is the mixed number.
Mixed number.
Yes, please do not use your mic. In this part,
Your voice is
just
like
okay. And the mixed number 3 and 1/5, we can deal with it in two ways. The first way is by remembering that the 3 and 1/5 is 3 plus 1/5. So we multiply the 2 by the 3 and multiply the 2 by the 1/5. Multiply the 2 by 3 and multiply the 2 by 1/5. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 1/5 equals 2/5. Now we have 6 plus 2/5, which is equal to 6 and 2/5. So this is the first way. The second way, I will write it again here, 2 times 3 and 1/5, the same question. And this time, I will rewrite the 3 and 1/5 as a fraction. Times down plus up, and use the same denominator. So as a fraction we use the same denominator, and 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 16. So I will erase this and use 16/5. So it will be 2 times 16/5. Now multiply the whole number by the numerator only. So we multiply the 2 by the 16 only, not the 5. We have 5 in the denominator. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 and carry up 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. And the last step here, so this is the answer, 32/5. And the last step is writing it as a mixed number. So we divide 32 by 5. 32 divided 5 equals 6, since 6 times 5 equals 30. So the remainder is 2. Now the whole number is the quotient and the remainder is the numerator. And we keep the denominator as it is. So the whole number is 6 and the numerator is 2. And down, keep the 5. As you see here, my heroes, we have the same answer using the two ways. Okay, now let's go to the book and solve the questions.
Teacher, page 1.
Okay. Someone tell me what page is this?
3.
Again?
563.
Yes, 563. It's written in the top and also written down here. Okay, what we're doing now, my heroes, we are solving questions 5, 7, 11, 15. We will solve these 4 questions. Okay, let's go ahead. The first one, Adam. Adam.
Here.
Okay, Adam, go ahead. Question number 5. You can use any of the 2 ways. You can multiply.
I'm going to use
Okay.
the converting way.
Okay, so you will convert the 3 and 1/2 to a fraction. Okay, so it will be 2 times. Go ahead, convert it.
Times 3 times 2 equals
Yes,
6.
6. Mm-hmm.
Plus 1 equals
Mm-hmm.
plus 1 equals 7.
So 7 in the numerator and down in the denominator.
Yes. 2.
Great. Now continue.
2 times 7 equals 14 out of 2.
Great. As a mixed number.
Will be, as a mixed number, it will be 7.
Yes, 7 because we have remainder 0. So 0 halves means we don't have any halves. So the final answer is 7. Thank you, Adam. Great work. And again, my heroes, we can solve this also with the first way.
Can you please choose me, Yusuf? I know this one.
Okay,
I know
you.
what this is all about.
Okay, Yusuf, but I have to give your friends also chance to answer. Right?
Mr. I want
So that's why I'm calling the names.
Mr. You don't choose me.
I did. Remember, my hero, I told you, and you say the same. You said the same yesterday also. My heroes, do not say your names. You know that I'm calling the names. Respect the rules. Ali Saleh? Ali Saleh? Ali Saleh? Okay. Karar? Karar?
I am here.
Okay, Karar. Go ahead. Question number 7.
3 times 1 and 5, 6.
Yes. Which way do you want to use? The plus or the one that uses plus or the one that uses converting? The distribution or the converting?
Conversion.
Okay, so you want to convert this one to a fraction. Okay, go ahead. I'm with you. So let's write it here, down here. 3 times. Okay, go ahead.
3
One time.
times
I did it 3 times, and you should convert now. Convert this fraction.
5, 6 is
times down plus up.
6 times 5
No, 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 the 1. The whole number times down plus up.
1 times 6 equals 6.
Mm-hmm.
And 6
Plus 5.
plus 5 equals 11.
And we keep the denominator, of course. Okay, now multiply 3 times 11 sectors.
3 multiplied 11
Mm-hmm.
equals
3 times 1 and 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals
3 times 1 equals 3.
and again 3 times 1, the second one in the tens, 3. So this is Hussein, right? Okay, Karar, continue. So 3 times 11 equals 33.
3.
And down we have 6 in the denominator. We need to convert this to a mixed number. No, you cannot ask during this when I finish. Okay, Karar? I'll write it here.
Okay.
33 divided by 6.
5.
5 times 6 equals 30. The remainder is
3.
great. So the whole number is the 5 and
5.
the numerator is 3. And what about the denominator?
6.
We keep it, yes, it will be 6. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. There's someone asking, I said before, my heroes, do not interrupt me or interrupt your friends. Now you can ask. Raise your voice, Ahmed. 3 times 11. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes, Ibrahim.
the denominator here didn't change. Why?
The denominator what?
Didn't change, right?
Yes, the denominator, we don't change it.
But why we make 3 multiply 11 sixths equals 3 sixths? 33 sixths equal 5 3 sixths?
Yes, that's what we did. Do you have any problems?
What is this equal? What's the meaning?
The equal, what's the meaning of the equal? It means that we are solving it. They are equal means this one is the same like this one.
There's two equal.
Oh, because I cannot write under each other. I'm writing in the same line. Okay, just like that. But if I have enough space, I will write under each other, of course. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. And here, Muhammad Ala,
Yes.
go ahead. Question number 11.
Okay. So, 3 times 2 equals 6.
Great, so you will use the... Okay, just let me explain to your friends. We are now multiplying by the 2 and by the 4/5. 3 times 2 equals
6.
3 times 2.
3 times 4 equals 12. 12 fifths is an improper fraction.
12 fifths. Yes. Okay, let's write it as, so the 12 fifths.
So 6 plus 12 fifths equals 6 and 12 fifths.
Okay, you said we will convert 12 fifths to
Yes.
a mixed number.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. 12
So
divided 5.
12 divided by 5, but 5 isn't in the timetable of 12.
What? You mean 12 is not in the timetable of 5, but we search for the 12 or less than 12?
Oh, okay. Yes, 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10.
Yes. And the
So-
remainder is?
And the remainder is, so 10 minus 12 equals 2. So the
12
remainder
minus
is 2.
10 equals 2. Okay, so it's 6
The whole
plus
number is 2 and
2
so 6
and-
plus 2 fifths and 2 and 2 fifths.
okay.
2 will be equal and 2 will be numerator and 5 will be denominator.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, now 2 plus 6 equals?
2 plus 6 equals 8.
And of course the fraction as it is, we will not change it. 8 and 2
Yes.
fifths. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, for the last question also, I want to use the same way. The distribution.
Why?
Uh,
Feed me. So that when the mister call you, because it will melt the cone.
okay, are you speaking to me?
You. Feed me. I want to play. That cone will melt.
Yusuf, you will get a note. I said that before. Okay, but Yusuf, you will help me with the first way. Distribution. Yusuf,
Hello, Mr. What?
you will use distribution. Okay, let's use it. Multiply 11 by 1 and 11 by 2/3. Go ahead.
Hello, Mister. Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. And you don't hear me.
No, because my mic, this.
Okay,
speaker-
so you have a problem with your voice or with your mic. I can choose another hero for this question.
No, Mister. No, because now question 15, right?
Yes, and use the distribution. Multiply 11 by 1 and multiply 11 by 2/3. Go ahead.
I need to make it an improper fraction, so I'm gonna.
Okay, wait. This is the second one, the converting, but I want you to use the first one.
Okay.
Okay? Can you help me with the first way? Go ahead. 11 times 1 and 11 times 2/3.
11 times 1, it will be 11, and 11 times 2/3, it will be 22.
Just 22? Oh, yes, 22/3. Okay, now 22/3. Let's convert it. I will write it here.
Yes.
Go ahead.
It will be 22/3. It will be 7.
7 times 3 equals
7 times 3 equal. It will be equal 21. Oh, 22 minus 21 equal 1.
okay, so
And then it will be
11 as it is plus write this as a mixed number.
be
7.
huh?
7 is the whole, right?
Yes. So it's
And
gonna
the
be
numerator?
7, and it will be 7 and 1/3 is
Okay, now add them.
plus 3. 11 plus
7.
7. It will be 77.
Oh, whoa. Not times. Plus.
Oh, it will be 18.
And
1/3.
1/3. Excellent. Thank you, Yusuf. Great work. My heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, so now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Okay, I will wait for you. And now let's start solving. And we start with the first question. 3.5 multiplied by 10. Ahmed Fahad.
Yes, Mr.
Go ahead. 3 times 10 and then half times 10, right? Okay, 3 times 10 equals? Yes, but 3 times 10 first.
What?
3 times 10. Okay, and half times 10. I don't think you hear me well. Half times 10. Okay, give me, okay. Half times 10 is 10 halves. And 10 halves is 5. Why? Because 10 divided 2 is 5. So, it's 30 plus 5, which is 35. Okay, thank you, Ahmed. And please, Ahmed, check your devices. My heroes, any questions? Please write quickly. If you are writing, write quickly, because I will move directly to the next one. Okay, let's move to the next one now. 4 and 2/3 multiplied by 6. Saleh? Saleh?
Yes, Mr.
Quickly, Saleh.
Multiply by 4 equals to 24.
2/3 times 6.
3 times 6.
No. 2/3 times.
2/3 times 6. 4 sixes.
You did the 4 times 6, it's 24. Do the 2/3.
Do the 2/3. Okay, 2/3.
Times 6.
2/3 times 6.
2 times 6.
Multiply by 2, Mr.
Yes. So it's 12.
To 12. 3. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4.
So it's 24 plus 4, which is
4 equals to 28.
okay. My heroes, any question? Thank you, my hero. Good work. My heroes, any problems? Any questions? Please write quickly if you are writing. I told you I will move directly to the next one. Okay. And now the next question. Muhammad Raed. Muhammad Raed.
Here.
Go ahead.
2/50 multiply 10. 5 multiply 2 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12/50. So 12/50 multiply 10 equals 100. 120 fifths. And to 12 divide 5 equals 2 multiply 5 equals 10. 10 minus 10 minus 12. 12 minus 10 equals 2. 2 is the remainder. And put down the 0.
Yes. 20 divided 5.
20 divided 5 equals 4. 4 multiplied 5 equals 20. So the remainder is 0.
So
the whole number is 24.
Wow, excellent. I'm impressed. Great work, my hero. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Muhammad Yahya.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Get your 1 2/3 of mile, and you ran 3 times as far. How far did Anya run? Then we will multiply 3 times 2.
What? Why 3 more times 2? 1 and 2/3, you mean? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Yeah. We will make it first 3 times 2. It will equal 6. But 6/3 is an improper fraction. So we will divide 3
Yes, it will be.
There are 2/3 in 6, so it will be 2.
6/3 equal 2. Yes, I agree with you. So 3 plus
Yeah.
2 equals.
And then we will add and then we will times 3 times 1 equals 3, and we will add the 2 and the 3. It will be 5, and it's 5 miles.
Okay, you did it right, but I want you to, when you say it, say what I should write. Okay? But you think well, but you are not giving me correct thing to write. Okay, my heroes, we have one question left here. I will solve it because we don't have time. Here, my heroes, we will multiply 2 and 1/2 by 12 because it's dozen. So 2 and 1/2. Okay, let's write it here. 2 and 1/2, and we need to multiply by 12. Multiply the 12 by 2, it's 24, and 12 times half equals 12 halves. So 24 and 12 halves, this is 6. So it is 30. Any questions? Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.